Hello everyone, my name is Alok. I'm father of two boys, 9 trees, husband to one of the most beautiful places of the world. I'm an engineer, an MBA, an entrepreneur, traveler, author, blogger, podcaster, a parenting expert and a business enthusiast for the last 18 plus years. And I'm here to talk about business. And today the topic which I'm gonna cover is you don't know what you don't know. Business you must be doing for quite a long time. And you know what? Business is not just exchange of product and service, which I have already defined you, but it is more than that. And how do you get a customer is the most critical thing in the business, right? So the point here is, when I talk about business, you need to get a customer for that, right? Every product and a service has a customer. Till the time you get a customer, you're not going to do business. So what we normally expect is we open a shop or we have an expertise and we expect that God is really great. He'll be sending us customers. But you know what? Business doesn't happen that way, right? You have to create a system and a process to get regular inflow of clients. That is what a regular business means. Business is not that you eat one day and you be starving for another week or something. No, it has to be continuous and you have to be growing day by day, right? So the point here is, when I say about business, so there are certain fundamental things which I'm going to talk about here today. One, who you are, right? When I say who you are, I'm not talking about your individual qualifications and degrees and expertise. I'm talking about who you, being a business person, being a business owner with certain products and service which you are going to help people with, right? What is your unique positioning? How are you going to help others? And over and above, why somebody would buy from you, right? So people don't think this way. If you think this way, you'll be able to understand who you are, where you are going to position yourself, and how you are going to take care of your customers, right? Unless and until you do all this, you will not be able to succeed. Reason being, if you don't know your customers, how are you going to approach them? So knowing your customer is what? Understanding what they are looking at. You have a product and service, your customers are looking for some solutions. So is it going to help them? If yes, then only it's a sustainable business model. And if you are going to make money out of it, that again is the second part of it. Catering to the needs and again converting into a sustainable model needs money. So you have to understand how this gap is going to be bridged, right? So when I talk about business, I focus on who you are, what is your USP, what is your positioning, what kind of a solution you're going to give to your customers, and why customers will be coming to you. Very critical, very critical. So again, there is a system behind it to make you credible enough for customers, for your customers to come to you and take your services, right? So guys, this is a small synopsis of what I want to tell you in terms of understanding your business better. So please do think once again, even if you are a business owner for many years, have you ever thought like this? If not, please do think and do revise the way you have been doing business. I'll be helping you as a business coach doing and achieving this, because business strategy is not just anything and everything. Business strategy has to be particularly defined and customized for your business, because your business has a specific targeted audiences, right? So guys, thank you for this. Looking forward to another videos. Thank you so much.